Ngetho cia mwanya na makiria kuri mwirari wa Muthingi TV ni gutihokera hari umemerekia wa ndumiriri cigitiganite riu na gitio kinene njitikiria ngwamukire methinito ya mohoro ngoro ngikumenyithia maria makihanikite guku bururi-ini ona gwata kuria nja-ini cia mathako muthi ni tariki 27 naguo mweri-ini wa gatano cukire mwaka wa 2024 ni njitagwo Maina wa Mucwe mwihoko wakwa ati wigutidia thayo na riu tukorwo tukiamukira matemo ma mohoro maya na njira githiranite wega. Maria tukuhaririirie Muthingi waine abunge kwendekithia kumenya wandikani wa arimu wa JSS matakunyihira 46,000.
Sijasikia kuna mlevu ameshikwa kwa sababu amekula miraa. Ukiona mlevi labda amekunywa bangi, huwezi sema ati kuna tofauti ya miraa na kuna tofauti ya mugoka. Ukiongea mambo ya mugoka umeongea mambo ya miraa.
Na warimi ya miraa guthie na mbere na guteta ni mumera uyu gwikirirwo mukana wa kwendio matura-ini mamwe. Nake Wanjiku agakuhe mawoni make megimainie na icira ria mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto bururi-ini wa Amerika. Na gukihetukira gukura kwa njira ya ng'enda-ini cia ukinyaniria kana kuria sekta-ini ya Gatuang'ongo mutaburuko uyu nuragukira na njira ya imwe kuria mwena-ini wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV na kuria mwena-ini wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na kuria mwena-ini wa X ni Twitter ni @Muthingi TV. Tukiambiriria mutaburuko witu wa mohoro hwaini wa umuthi na riboti ikigie arimu wa JSS. Nayo kamite ya bunge ya gĩbũrũri ĩkĩgemaine na maũndũ megiĩ na gĩthomo nĩ ũrĩtie gũtarĩrio na kinyi ũrĩa wandĩkani wa arimũ a irathi cia JSS ũtakũnyihĩra arimũ 46,000 gũkorwo gĩtabanio gũkũ, nake mũikarĩri wa kamite na mũndũ wĩtwo Julius Meli agĩtarĩria kuuga atĩ thirikari nĩ gũkinyanĩria kwandĩkwo kwa arimũ aya mwaka ũkĩte wa kĩgĩna. Maya mokĩte o rĩrĩ nao ambunge magĩthiĩte na mbere na kũũria matarĩrio ũrĩa arimũ ya JSS na ukorwo makiamukira marihi mao. Riboti ino igatuhingurira mutaburuko witu wa mohoro hwaini wa umuthi.
In their presentation, Teacher Service Commission had indicated to us that the interns will be converted into permanent and pensionable in January next year, which actually we felt as a committee, if the financial year begins in July, what informed them to tell us that the interns will start in January 2024? So we made a recommendation that the interns who will be permanent and pensionable will be converted beginning July 2024, not January 2025 as recommended by them.
What is the cost for hiring on permanent and pensionable all the 46,000 JSS and other interns and bringing back time from January 2025 to July 2024? We would want you to give us the cost.
On the employment of teachers, I think that one have been, Owen also said, the criteria of employing 26,000 and then 20,000, it was the issue of first cohort. First cohort of interns was 26,000, second cohort was 20,000. But in this case, I want to ask this committee that let's employ all of them for 6,000 and you provide money for that. Two, let's also not subject these interns to further interview. We have told the Teacher Service Commission any serving intern straight away become permanent and pensionable. No further interviews, and we don't take new teachers until we clear with the interns.
I also want to commend you because the decision you made on employing the JSS just before December will be a very good thing rather than next year.
Issue of capitation. Capitation is a problem at all levels, all the way from primary school, secondary school, and it is a matter, Mr. Chairman, you need to help this country by ensuring that matters capitation are done in a very fair way and put into consideration the actual cost of maintaining a student in school.
School feeding, the balance is 3 billion, we require that. On the issue of floods, it is very dire, honorable members, and the supplementary budget, we requested 500 million because it is covering a duration of 1 month and for those schools. Statistics is now undertaking a national education census to ascertain how many students are in school. All this is to rationalize funding on capitation.
One, you had indicated that you have areas, gray areas in secondary school infrastructure improvement. I really would like to know those gray areas.
Can you confirm what the status is from the operationalization money for 2023-24?
Na tugithii na mbere ni ati naguo muingi ni ururunganite na makiria kuma itura-ini ria Baruti guku ni kaunti-ini ya Naikuru magetha kihoto kia andu ana aria maroragirwo na njira ya kuhurwo rithathi ni arugamiriria guthaitira mitito KWS thutha wa mugururi uragitabanĩrio wa kuhitana na ategi a thamaki aria matagikinyaniire ikiro. Kuringana na riboti ino kioikaine ati andu aya ana maroragirwo ni maabitha aya a KWS. Mundu witwa Wanjiko wa Kahumba ni akuhungiire ici makiria.
Andũ ana hamwe nao areni arutwo eri ni matete mioyo yao kumana na kurathwo ni maabitha a KWS Barut gũkũ areni kaunti-ini ya Naikuru. Mutino-ini uria urahanikite riria maabitha aya marare mungũrũrio-ini wa kunina utegi wa thamaki utari mwitikirie iria-ini ria Naivasha. Oho maabitha aya ni meranirwo kuhithukira aikari mwena ucio na kurehe wagagu munene ona marahurire aikari bara kiudutho na oroho kinyagia kwahama kimwire mutumia umwe. Uhoro uria wikiritwo mukonde ni mubunge wa Nakuru West niwe Samuel Arama.
Yesterday evening we received 4 teams of gunshots from Barut area according to the patients. So all the 4 patients are currently in our wards. They are stable. 2 are to be taken for theatre in the course of the day after stabilizing them for removal of the bullets. The other 2 are being managed at the ward level and they are stable.
Ari thibitari-ini umwe wa aria marahonokire mutino-ini ucio niwe Obed Luka augite arareja na arata ake riria maraigwire mukayururuko ukiuma ngari-ini cia maabitha aya na kuona ni mutumia urahahamagwo na hau maabitha aya marabereria ndathani.
Nje kwa gate na marafiki zangu kidogo hivi cruiser ikakuja 2 za game park wakakuja na fujo. Sasa mimi kama niingie ndani kwa sababu hiyo furugu wakikuja hivyo tunajua tu ni kubaya. Sasa kuingia ndani ya gate hivi kidogo hivi tunasikia nduru, tunajiuliza ni nani ndani ya compound. Tukasema aje acha tushuhudie nani huyo anapiga nduru. Sasa ile kwa harakati ya kutoka hivi nje tukapata mama anapigwa. Tukasema aje acheni huyo mama, msimpige huyo mama. Wakaanza sasa kufyatua marisasi juu. Kufyatua marisasi watu wakaanza kuja wengi. Wakaanza kupiga tu risasi kiolela. Sasa ile kurudi ndani ya gate tuingie ndani juu unafuata unajiokoa. Kanipiga risasi ya mguu.
Wa mwena ucio niwe Samuel Arama ni akomithetie giko giki na uguo kwendekithia maabitha aya gwikio ngono na kuhingũrĩrwo thitango guku aikari makiendekithia maabitha aya gutigithio wira na mituki.
Hii maaskari ya wildlife wamekuwa na hiyo tabia. Hata iko wakati tulikuwa na governor, wakati fulani nikaongea na mkubwa yao, nikawaeleza, nikawaambia maji ndiye imekuja kutoka kwa lake, imekuja mpaka mahali raia wanaishi. So nikawaambia askari yao wa concentrate na maneno ya park, wawajane na maneno ya ile maji imekuja pande, ama kama si hivyo wachukue maji yao. Hiyo raia wote unaona hapa wana
Doini ha Muthingi TV. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiko wa Kahumba.
Sasa wanampigia nini? Tunapigiwa nini? Na tuko kwetu sisi. Si hatuko kwao.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Embu atongoria undu umwe na arimi a muguka ni mathiĩte na mbere na kwĩhĩta atĩ ni mathiĩ na mbere na gutetia ikinya rĩa kũrũgamio kwa wendia wa muguka na makĩria kaunti-ini cia Kilifi ũndũ ũmwe na kaunti-ini ya Mombasa. Atongoria ya ũndũ ũmwe na arimi matabanĩtie cikaro nginya ũtukũ hwaĩ-inĩ wa ira makĩgeria gwetha kĩhonia kĩa ũndũ ũyũ, makiuga atĩ mũmera ũyũ nĩguo mehokaga harĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ makorwo makĩmatha ũboco wao. Kamau wa Kahonoki nĩ akũhũngĩire riboti ĩno na njĩra ndikandikĩru.
Rũhonge rwa gũthũrima ũtũmĩri wa ndawa cia kũrebia bũrũri-inĩ nĩ rũkeneire itua rĩa kaunti cia gĩcũa-inĩ kũregana na wendia na ũtũmĩri wa mũgũka. Akĩarĩria ceceni cia mohoro, mũnene wa rũhonge rũrũ Joel Gĩtaũ nĩ akorirwo akĩũria thirikari nene kũregana na wendia wa mũgũka bũrũri-inĩ.
Ingekuwa vyema kama serikali kuu ingeondoa kabisa upanzi wa miraa katika nchi yetu na pamoja na tumbako vile tunavyosema, na kuhakikisha hata vijana wetu hawatumii bidhaa hizi. Lakini sasa kwa sababu za kisiasa haiwezekani. Hilo ni jambo ambalo hatuwezi tukasema serikali inaweza kufanya.
Ona kuri uguo atongoria a mbere na arimi a muguka ni maugite ati ni mekuruira thabu ino yao makiria me mucemani-ini Embu Jumapili ino. Mucemani-ini uria urathire nginya utuku gatagati ni maraugire ati matigutiga kuruira mumera uyu wao.
Leo kama viongozi tulikuwa tumekusanyika kuongelea hii mambo yenye inaendelea kuhusu miraa, kuhusu gavana wa Mombasa County mwenye ametoa executive order kusema kwamba hataki miraa kwake. Tungesaka kusema ya kwamba sisi kama wakulimaji ama wakulima wa miraa ama wakaaji wa Embu County tunajua kwamba miraa ni kitu imekuwa ikiendelea. Ukulima wa miraa ni kitu imekuwa ikiendelea kwa miaka mingi sana.
Nerakorirwo akiregana na uge wa atongoria a gicuwa-ini aria maraugire ati muguka ni dawa ya kurevia.
A plant scientist with records of work. I personally did a literature review paper for Parliamentary Ad Hoc Committee on miraa in the year 2013 July. The point is, miraa contains some ingredients, active ingredients, but the level of the gradient does not go beyond the stimulants level.
Senator wa tene wa Embu Lenny Kivuti uria ni urathondekete mucemanio uyu kuria Kiritiri imwe ya thoko iria nene cia muguka nerakorirwo akiregana na uge wa atongoria a gicuwa-ini aria marakorirwo makiuga ati muguka ni dawa ya kurevia.
Uko tayari? Hadi tutaenda pamoja. Ukitetea mmea wetu tutakuwa pamoja. Muguka ndio utajiri wetu, tuko pamoja. Na mko tayari? Nakubali nyinyi mna support serikali ya Mheshimiwa Rais Mheshimiwa William Ruto, si ndio?
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kamau wa Kahonoki.
Na thutha wa president wa bũrũri wa Kenya mũndũ gwĩtwo William Samoei Arap Ruto kũrĩkia icera rĩake rĩa thikũ 4 kũrĩa bũrũri-inĩ wa Amerika na gũkorwo agĩkwĩrwo kũhũthĩra makĩria ma ciringi milioni 200 harĩ gũkombora ndege ĩrĩa ĩrakorwo kũmũtwara bũrũri-inĩ ũyũ. Akenya mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ nĩtũrĩkĩtie kwaranĩria nao na magatũhe mawoni ma kũrĩa Akenya aingĩ mathiĩte na mbere na gũtetia president William Ruto nĩ kĩrĩa maugĩte atĩ nĩ athiĩte na mbere na kũhũthĩra mbeca cia Kenya na njĩra ĩrĩa itagĩrĩire. Rĩu haha thikĩrĩria mawoni ma Kenya ũrĩa marakiuga igũrũ kĩgiĩ maine na icera rĩa president William Ruto rĩa ndukũ 4 kũrĩa bũrũri-inĩ wa USA.
Tuko na watu wanaumia na maji, bado wamedhiriwa na maji, hawajapata msaada wote. Na naona kwamba William Ruto president wetu anatumia pesa mingi sana kusafiri na ndege, na tuko na watu wanaumia na njaa, tuko na watu wanaumia na maji, tuko na watu wako hali yenye si mzuri, tuko na watu hawana ajira. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka kuambia Ruto, sisi kama Kenya tunaumia zaidi.
Yangu ni kwenda si mbaya, ile faida ameleta ni mingi, but mali amekosea ni moja. Mbona atumia ya kwa ndege na ndege iko ya Kenya kubeba marais, na angetumia hii generation ingekuwa imebaki kwa Kenya, income generation haingeenda kwa hiyo nchi nyingine. Kama yeye mwenyewe rais ndiye anaweza haya ndege kutoka nje, what about investors wenye wanakuja Kenya? Wako na are they safe? Watajiona kama wako safe kutumia ndege za Kenya kama rais mwenyewe ndiye analeta hiyo picha kwenda kutumia ndege ya nje?
Alitumia pesa nyingi. Hizo pesa pia ziko na manufaa kidogo, kwa maana kama tulipewa kama chopa kama 17, ndege kama 7. Kwa hivyo ile kitu iko rais anatumia pesa nyingi kwa kitu ilikuwa, na pia ile kitu tunamshtumu sana, kulikuwa unapaka na ile ndege ya rais. Angeitumia hiyo badala ya kwenda kutumia ndege hizo watu wanasema ni za Dubai. Angetumia hiyo ndege. Kuna ndege ile imetengenezwa rasmi ni ya rais. Yeye angetumia ndege ya rais badala ya kutumia hizo 2 milioni 2 kwenda kwa state.
Mimi sioni kama ni like hiyo pesa alitumia kwa njia mbaya. Alafu tumepata like juzi kuna vile mnapata kuna wase wenye walikuwa like napata accident. So yako sawa. Kitu ya kwanza naangalia security yake, na kitu ya pili mimi naona kwamba ako tu sawa kwa kuchukua hiyo 200,000 million kutumia kwa hiyo trip yake.
Ihugukira kaunti ya Embu ni ati atongoria matiganite ni mathiete na mbere na gutetia thirikari ni kurugamia mubango wa uheani wa irio mathukuru-ini makiuga ati kumirira mubango uyu wambiriirie ni ucungiriirie namba nene ya arutwo gukorwo magithie mathukuru-ini makiuga riu kweherio kwa mubango uyu ni gugucungiriria aciari kugumirwo ni murigo munene wa guthie na mbere na guthomithia ciana ciao. Kamau wa Kahonoki ni akuhungia riboti ino makiria.
Atongoria a mathukuru kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ni maroria thirikari gwiciria keri itua-ini ria kweheria uheani wa irio mathukuru-ini ndereti ya mwaka wa watho wa mwaka wa 2024 mwaka wa 2025.
The feeding program should remain intact and if possible in the whole country.
Margaret Wangui mwarimu munene cukuru-ini wa Kiambeu secondary augite ati kwina wongerereku wa arutwo kuma namba yao ya 25 kinya namba ya 85 arutwo aria maumite nginya kaunti-ini ingi.
And because of this food and what our MP has done for us, you find that our population has now moved from 25 students. As I speak today, we have 82 students and still counting.
Kuringana na honge cia wendi mwega cia ciana makiria ma cukuru 60 kuma gicigo bunge gia Kiharu na makiria ma ciana 12,000 nio magunikite.
Currently doing the distribution in 60 schools, day school. We want to say that from the fact that we have gathered, we have been able to see that there is a positive index in terms of enrollment. The penetration is very high, whereby we have seen that the Form 1's intake this year, it has gone up in many schools. We want to say that the program has a positive impact to the society, or in the constituency in Kiharu, with a population of 12,600 students that we are offering these services.
Kuringana na Patrick Mwangi mwarimu munene cukuru-ini wa St Stephen Kaverwa secondary augite ati uheani wa irio ni utumite ciana cikare cukuru na kwehereria aciari murigo muritu.
We appreciate very much what the program has done. This has led to the increase in population. Like this year we have been able to admit 60 students in Form 1. Previously, we had a total population in Form 1 and 2 of 40 students. So in my view, the program is working. We appreciate so much and we wish that the program is going to continue.
Fotera Muthigi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kamau wa Kahonoki.
Na tukiamba tugaikire na riboti ya gimaine na uheani wa irio kuria mathukuru-ini ndawakorwo githiora mitambo nyamu ni ndiracokereria na maya na mangĩ maingĩ.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nigetha tukorwo tukinyitanĩra hamwe guteithia na kugarurĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
uri murimi munini na ni urabatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja 572 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Na riu tugicokereria mundu gwitwa Bill Hanya guthie ni akuharira riboti ikigimaine na uria mubango wa gwakwo maternity na makiria kuria county-ini ya Kirinyaga ni governor wa county na mundu gwitwa Anne Mubi wa iguru washirithia ugima mwega wa mwiri county-ini no ndumwe na kugashirithia uheani wa ciana county-ini no ya Kirinyaga. Aikiria mwena uyu na ni makionekete gukenerera mubango wa governor wa kumakira maternity makiuga ati wa iguru ni atwikite wa kiguni kinene na makiria kuri miturire yao.
Arĩ ta njĩra ĩmwe ya kũgacĩrithia ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, rĩu waki wa maternity nĩ ũmwe wa njĩra ĩrĩa thirikari ya Governor Anne Waiguru ĩhĩmbĩirie. Waki wa maternity thibitarĩ-inĩ ya Gariama Health Center nĩguo wonanĩtie maciaro mega ma mũbango ũyũ, kuona kuma kũhingũrwo kwa maternity ĩyo makĩria ma atumia 60 nĩo mahetwo ciana na makĩria ma atumia 250 nĩ mahotete kũgunĩka na morigitani marĩa maumanaga na kuoha nda.
This facility is good because they don't deliver at home, they deliver in this facility. Previously we had so many other women delivering away at home, being reason that the facility was far away. When around mama was about to get a baby, before he reached here, the baby is already there. And therefore, these days, we don't deliver at home.
Kari hamwe na anyiti itemi ruhonge-inĩ rwa urigitani kaunti-inĩ ĩyo monekete gukenera mũbango ũyũ makiuga Governor Anne Waiguru ni atwĩkĩte ũguni mũnene kũrĩ atumia.
Kwĩna services iria tureta antenatal, postnatal na mother and child health services. Mundu aciarĩte na arĩkia gũciara na mother and child ogithia gũkĩreraga mwana kwĩna specialist ndagĩtarĩ wa kũrora mutumia ũcio nginya miaka 5 nginya mwana akinya nake miaka 5. Nĩ mũigwĩte kwĩna program ĩmwe president anyitithanĩtie na county governments ĩrĩa tũramĩta community health program. Na community health program nĩ ĩrĩa ĩkoragwo na aruti a wĩra a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ arĩa makoragwo gũkũ mashinani arĩa twetaga tene community health workers. Kirinyaga twina community health promoters 1,212.
Ona kũrĩ o ũguo nĩ morĩtie thirikari ĩno yongerere maternity mwena wa Gathigiriri, Kĩmbĩmbĩ na Mũrindũko nĩguo kwagĩrithia ũtungata wa ũrigitani makĩria.
Ũndũ atwĩkĩirwo nĩ ngavana nĩ ngatho mũno tũracokia na tũkuga Ngai amongerere matukũ inkarange nĩ ũndũ wa wega ũcio. Tondu guka bindu onge okaga guku ukore na gutina arwaru nundu wa mathina ara mari kuo.
Muthingi TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bill Hanya guthie.
Na riboti nĩ itu yake ha muthenya wa umuthi ni ati gĩcanjama kĩa mũirĩtu kũruta nda mwena wa Mount Elgon gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Bungoma nĩ kĩrarehire gĩcakaya na gĩcanjama kĩnene mwena-inĩ ũcio kũrĩa kũrerĩkana atĩ mũirĩtu ũyũ arateithĩrĩirio kũruta nda ĩno nĩ mwendia wa nduka ũmwe kuma kaunti-inĩ ĩno ya Naikuru na makĩria itũra-inĩ rĩa Mount Elgon kũrĩa mathaa manini tu thutha wa kũruta mwana ũcio maracokire kũmũikia kĩoro. Reke twamũkĩre riboti ĩno.
Na kushirikiana na wananchi tumepata mtoto huyu akiwa hai, tumemkimbiza kwa hospitali apate matibabu. Mtoto huyo inasemekana ni wa miezi 7. Pia tulipata pia mama ya mtoto ambaye alikuwa ameavya mimba na pia tukampeleka katika hospitali ya Spikers Cheptais. Kwa hivyo nikiwa chifu eneo hili ningependa kutahadharisha hasa wa mama na wasichana ambao wanahuruka kubeba mimba na kutoa kwamba hawana nafasi katika sehemu hii. Ni kiza ambacho cha kustaajabisha, na mimi nikiwa chief nataka nishitumu kwa njia kuu sana kwamba hatutakubali hali kama hiyo.
Sisi kama viongozi hapa Cheskaki, sisi hatutakubali hiyo tabia ambayo inafanyika hapa eneo la Cheskaki. Hilo tendo ni mbaya sana. Wananchi wameshirikiana na serikali yetu hapa ya Cheskaki, wametoa mtoto kwenye choo. Huyo mtoto ni mzima.
Huyu mtoto kweli hakustahili kukufa. Leo ni Jumapili. Huyu mtoto wetu wakimlea vizuri atakuwa president. Amekuwa mtoto mwenye amelia tangu saa 1 ya asubuhi na mpaka saa hii bado ako hai ndani ya choo, kuonyesha kuwa yeye uzima wake Mungu anauhifadhi.
Ni kwamba waje tufuatilie haki hii imetendeka kwa sababu gani na ilianzia wapi, ndio inakuja kumalizikia hapa. Nimezungumza na mama mzazi wa msichana, anasema msichana aligonjeka akitoka Nairobi, na alipofika hapa uchungu ikazidi, akapelekwa Tuikuru dispensary, mahali sasa ni health center. Amelazwa kwa siku 3, na kulazwa kwa siku 3 hiyo ndio amekuwa discharged jana. Wakati wamefika nyumbani, kufika hapa majungu yakaendelea tena, ndio akaletwa hapa for first aid.
Na tugitigana na riboti iyo igukihuritwo ni kieha ya mwiritu gukorwo akiruta nda na guikia mwana ucio kioro. Runo njurie thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru gukorwo akiruta mathomo ma ugima mwega wa meciria kuri na makiria a youth kuma kaunti-ini ino ya Naikuru. Tugitigana na riboti ino tugithi na mbere ni ati tabarĩra ya waki wa giceceni kia uthondeki wa hinya muthemba wa nuclear ni githiete na mbere na gutunganio uregani kiria gitanyitwo gwoko kuria itura-ini ria Uyumba guku ni kaunti-ini ya Kilifi. Minister wa hinya wa maiganania mundu witwa Aisha Jumwa niwe utongoretie atongoria hau ndumu na aikari a Uyumba hari kuregana na waki wa giceceni giki kia hinya wa nuclear itura-ini riri ria Uyumba guku ni kaunti-ini ya Kilifi.
Hatuwezi kukubali takataka zote ambazo zinaokotwa huko kwa jina la kwamba tunaenda kuinvest Kilifi, lakini investment zinazofanywa hapa ni za kuathiri maisha ya watu wa Kilifi. Haitawezekana. Na wale ambao wanaleta ule mradi wa Nupea kule Matangoni, nataka niwaambie, kama mlikuwa mjasikia sauti ya viongozi, nimeanza mimi Aisha Juma, nikiwa waziri katika taifa letu, nikiwa mzaliwa wa Kilifi na kiongozi pia kutoka hapa Kilifi County. Tutasimama na watu wa Matangoni na watu wote wa Kilifi kupinga vikali mradi wa Nupea.
Luwe, mimi ni secretary wa Uyombo Beach Management Unit. Nikiwa mimi ni mwana mazingira ya bahari. Huu mradi hatuja upokea na wala hatutaupokea kwa sababu jinsi uliletwa kisiasa. Mwanzo sisi tunalaumu viongozi wetu, MP wetu, area MCA, gavana pia si sana, lakini pia na rais pia. Unasikia? Kwa sababu hii kitu wakati wa kampeni Mr. Owen Baya aligawanya mama zetu ambao ni wajane tanks na zilikuwa zimeandikwa Nupea, lakini hakutuambia kwamba ilikuwa ni hii project.
Nake mwandiki mukaru sekta-ini ya urimi mundu witwa Paul Rono ni ahingurite monanio ma urimi kuria kaunti-ini ya Bungoma thukuru-ini wa mathomo ma iguru wa Kababi. Ni hindi ya uhinguro wa thukuru uyu kuria Rono oire kamweke kauga ati arimi aria othe makurire makiendeire bataraitha ya maigirira ni marikitie kwamukira bataraitha ingi hatari marihi o mothe.
Because of the challenges we face. But going forward, we have put a plan to make sure that by August, all suppliers of fertilizers are aligned, so that come October, the fertilizers are in all the stores across the country. We also intend to use agro dealers, the agrofeds, and other distributing points to make sure that also we spur the growth of that local industry, which is the SME. So on the issue of quality of fertilizers, we have put up a serious team to be on a continuous check on and to ensure that the fertilizers being procured meet the required quality going forward. And we have supplied fertilizers to the farmers, planting fertilizers, and then also the top dressing fertilizers. We had a challenge on supplying of the top dressing fertilizers for the last 2 weeks during the rainy season, because most of our trucks faced challenges because of flood, and also it was not appropriate time for farmers to start applying fertilizers to the crops during rainy season. But we have now released all fertilizers, and as we talk now, I can say all counties and all farmers are now accessing the top dressing fertilizers.
All that I can ask our people as we go around to see, let us move from agriculture to agribusiness. I think that is what we are talking about, that we move from agriculture to agribusiness, value addition. Those are the things that we are talking about, that in the long run, my desire, and we have been discussing with my colleagues from this region, is that no food should leave this region unprocessed.
The four millers, which we call them the government millers, the government is in a plan to make sure that these 4 millers, Techemelil, Moroni, Soni, and Zoya, are brought back to real business.
na riu na gitio kinene njitikiria ngoro gikwamukira metha-ini itu ya mohoro ya iharo-ini ni Muthingi iharo-ini. Christine Ochola na Catherine ni ahotani a mbitika cia golf aria maremathirie hotani makimatha point 51 guku namba 2 ikinyitwo ni andu ana makimathira point 45. Riu namba 1 nginya namba 5 mamathite tigiti wa ugathaka finals irigathakirwo kirino kia golf kia Migaa tariki 27 ya Julai mwaka-ini uyu. Nake namba 1 nginya namba 3 akamatha tigiti wa ugathaka hitahetano ya gibũrũri ya golf irigathakirwo kuria bũrũri-ini wa Spain mweri wa October mwaka wa 2024.
All said and done, it was a good day out. We played with 2 fantastic gentlemen, Mr. Felix Kiamba, a good gentleman, long hitter, but we were more inspired by our back marker, Bwana Solomon Mombi. I think he's not here, he's left his apologies. We had a really good time.
We are grateful, we're excited about today for taking the International Pair 2024 at Limuru Club. First and foremost, for sure, this is a great opportunity that KGU has given amateur golfers to play and compete for a trip to go to Spain. So for us here, yes, we have been practicing.
Na ceceni ya Muthingi TV itigireire ati we ni wakorwo kiamukirwo ni mohoro maya na njira hegithiranite wega, na riu up to date ni ukimenyithitio maria makihanikite guku bururi-ini. Ni njutagwo Maina wa Mucwe gakwendithiria utuko mwega na Ngai wa muoyo hakumenyerere na kureithia.